Are you looking for a simple way to boost sales on your Magento 2 store? Stick around to learn about different types of banners, the best ways to use them, and the top extensions that'll help you set them up quickly and easily. Let's get started. Promo banners are tools that highlight deals, discounts, or new products on your Magento 2 store. These eye-catching elements guide customers toward action, like making a purchase or exploring a sale. The best part? They're easy to set up and highly effective. There are several types of promo banners you can use in Magento 2. Standard banners are simple and static, great for announcing sales like 25% off. Slider banners rotate through multiple offers in one space, ideal for showcasing various deals. Notification banners stay visible while users scroll, perfect for urgent promotions. Pop-up banners appear based on user actions, like adding items to the cart, while cart promo banners encourage higher cart value by offering incentives like free shipping. To add promo banners, insert the Magento Admin Panel into Pages, create CMS Blocks and Widgets for more flexibility, or use extensions like Amasty Promo Banners to target specific customers and schedule banner displays. When using promo banners, the design must be simple and the message clear. High-quality images and strategic placement, like on the home page or checkout pages, will ensure maximum visibility. Also, remember to include a strong call to action, such as Shop Now or Limited Time Offer. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on Magento and e-commerce.